Hello there, it's Laura with another Financial Fun Friday, and I wanted to address a question I've been getting fairly frequently. It kind of goes in waves here in my office, but that is utilizing our mortgage services to get someone out of a contract that's been put into place. So these are sometimes called land contracts. They're actually pretty common here in the Muncie area. And so what it basically means is that someone wants to buy a house and they and the seller agree through a contract that they're going to be purchasing this house. But at the time, they may not be able to, for whatever reason, qualify for a traditional mortgage. So they set this contract in place and then are needing to get into a traditional mortgage. So these are very, very situational because every contract can be set up differently. So I've seen them where the buyer already has taken over taxes and insurance and they're paying those out of their pocket in addition to paying for the land contract. So we have some options that can get people a lot of savings. I actually have a family right now. They're currently paying $700 towards their land contract. Taxes about $100 a month and insurance about $100 a month, and we're getting them into one payment for $430. So a huge savings. They're finally ready to to go through that. So a couple of words to the wise: if you're in this situation, we actually are able to do this as a refinance if the land contract has been recorded with the county for 1 year or more. So that is the requirement to be able to do it. If not, we have to do it as a traditional purchase. You have to have a down payment, all those kinds of things. So we can kind of set it up again, however your situation is. If you are doing it as a refinance, we can use money that you've already paid towards the land contract as long as we can track it. So I highly recommend keeping copies, paying by check, paying by some kind of way that's very easy to show where the money's coming out of your bank account and going to the seller. With the refinance or doing it as a purchase, you do have to meet the typical loan requirements for whatever program you're going. So a conventional or a refinance, you still have to meet the credit qualifications, the debt to income qualifications, all those kinds of things. And we do have to get a payoff from the seller. And this sometimes is where we get into a little bit of stickiness. You and the seller obviously have to agree what that payoff is. So just making sure you're protecting yourself, making sure everybody kind of agrees on what that payoff amount is. So if you find yourself in the middle of a land contract and want to get out of it, I'd be happy to talk through your situation. We do these multiple times during the year. So I'd be happy to help you and see if we can save you some money. Have a great day.